What's up, everybody? It's about that time. We got a couple of hours to kill before sunset. We're gonna load up the Vanquish. 440 today. We're gonna hit the park on the Burgman. So let's go. I'll see you there in a minute. Alright guys, we made it to the park. I haven't been here in a long time, so hopefully we find something good. Check out the Vanquish here and we'll get to it. Alright guys, I think we're good to go. Let's go ahead and fire this thing on. Let's get hunting and see what we can get. Hunting from 21 to kind of 26 right here. So let's give this thing a shot, see what we got. Oh, here it is. So 21 to 26 is a what we call a stinking Lincoln penny. All right, little plug, push this thing down. All right, another 25 signal right about there. Last time we got a 25 signal, it ended up being a dime. Let's see, we got. There it is. Pretty right on, man. 25 on this guy. Straight up dime. That's two. All right, guys. So we got like a 15, 13. I'm gonna round it to 15. 15. 2 arrows down. Let's see what we got here. Not sure what a 15 is. Is that a nickel signal? A nickel or a pull tab signal? I'm pretty sure that's what that is. Oh man, this one is a, look at that. Look like somebody bit the hell out of this. I mean, just ate this thing, man. That's a penny. It was a penny. what it is now is straight trash. On to the next. Here we hit another 30, 31. Now guys, 30-31, almost 100% of the time, 30-31 is a quarter. I almost guarantee it. 30-31 is almost always clad quarter or silver ring. $30-31, and of course another quarter, 25 centavos, the old George Washington. Into the collection bin, close up that hole, and we're off to the next target. 28, 29, 30. All right, just right above it. So we were right here, and now it says right here. Let's see. All right, so the Garrett is not able to pick up that signal, and that's the reason why I try to use this guy. Now listen to that. Right, Garrett. Now Garrett wants to wake up. I was just here. Oh, now you want to wake up, old Mr. Garrett. Where are you at now? All right. So what do we got? Let's see here. Oh, you're going off everywhere, man. I gotta retune you. Right here. There you go. Oh, dude, this one's bent like a taco. Look at that. Bent taco action. And a lawnmower smacked this thing and sent it flying. It's another Corsair. Il George Washington action. Close this up. No more noises. And we're off to our next target. The way I normally scope out a park is right along that tree line right out there. That's where people would normally sit during the summer when it's nice and hot and the sun's beating on you. And that's normally where I would look with hopes to find rings and such. But I'm gonna head over here towards this gondola area, and that's where the trash starts to pick up. So let's head on over there and see what we can find. 5.6 right here. Let's check it out. Let's give this thing a try. See what we got. What the heck? You knew it. You knew it. You had to get it. There it is, buddy. A 5.6 foil. And unfortunately, this foil is exactly how a nice little gold ring will come up. You gotta dig it. All right. Another target here. Looks like it's hitting a high 25-26. 25-26 with 3 arrows, 3 to 4 arrows. Repeatable. And guys, you can see what I'm using here. The double D, the way I pinpoint, I don't have to use this. You could do it that way, but where is it? how I like to do my pinpointing is I like to do the wiggle. And right where the signal stops, it should be right in front of that coil. Okay? So it should be right here. Let's see what the pinpointer says. There you go. Exactly. Definitely in the plug. There we go. And that signal was just a little teeny Jefferson dime. Alright, so we're over here at the other end of the tot lot, and the detector is showing another 2829. Oh Lord, I have no idea what this is, but let's go ahead and give it a try. Ooh, it says it's like right up on top. We might not even have to dig it out if I could hit it with the probe. I think I just hit it. And what do we got here, guys? Oh, I found me a ring, dude. I found me a ring. Look at this little guy. What's that? A little cat's paw ring? Oh yeah. You know, guys, it might not be worth anything, man, but it's worth something to me. That's cute. I likes that. Yeah, just a little junker. But hey, I got it on film, man, so I'm happy. There we go. Bam! Alright, guys. I've seen in a lot of the videos here, people are coming out to trees and they're finding these little teeny, like, what's like headstones. And they're wondering if it means that somebody actually died here. And no, it doesn't mean that at all. What it means is that the individual who got this headstone made, they contributed to the park, and they get to place this, it's like a memorial, and they get to place it at the foot of the tree in memory of their loved one. And this individual here was James Patrick Blendina. I guess he was born in 48 and he died in 04. So they contributed here, and they get to put this little memorial out by this tree in remembrance of him. And you know, beautiful night, you know, nice tree. And so if you guys ever have a question about that, it's a memorial piece. Well, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this on up for the evening here. Thank you for coming out with me today, man, and spending some time with me in the old Vanquish, showing you how it sounds, how it performs, what it does, what it can find. Listen, guys, reality is it ain't always gonna be sunshine and rainbows. You're not gonna come out to the park and find jewelry and rings every time you come out. I mean, if you do, great, lady luck was on your side that day. But for the most of the time, you're gonna come out here just to get some fresh air, some sunshine, get up off that couch, come on out to the park, enjoy a sunset like what I'm seeing out here right now. It's a beautiful evening here in Las Vegas. Alright, guys, so let's just do a little wrap up tonight of what we found in the goodies bag, goodies pouch, dirties pouch. And in the dirties, man, what we have: pull tab, a couple of crusty zinc pennies. Actually, 1, 2, 3, 4 crusty zinc pennies, pull tab, a eraser cap, and some foil, some can slaws. Alright. And then for the good stuff here, the good finds, we got 1, 2, 3/4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dimes, a nickel, and a little kitty cat ring. Yeah, kind of cool, even though it's trash. It's kind of heavy though. I like it. It's all something. Like I was saying to you guys before, it's not always going to be, you know, sunshine and rainbows. And hey, look, another memorial headstone. This one is a bench. Remember I was telling you about the tree over there? Like when you go to the tree, you can find those. Well, here's a little bench where they do the same thing. Well, anyways, guys, that's my wrap up for the night. And I hope you guys find some good stuff out here at the park when you come out here to do some metal detecting. I know I come out here with the hope, but it's not always going to be that you find something good. But just be grateful that you guys are out here breathing, that you're not catching COVID, and you're not sick at home, and that you're alive and well. We can thank the Lord for that. So you know what, guys? If you like my video and you got some entertainment, fun value out of it, please feel free to comment down below. Give me a thumbs up and like, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Take it easy.